Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a print button on PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this prepare form option. Select. Now select Start. Okay. And here you will find this OK button option. Click here and go to print button area. Now select right button for properties and select general option. You say print button name from visible, invisible, red only, and appearance option. You can say border color, border line is medium, and field color is white, and font size is auto. Also you can change text color also this blue color, and also select option and label. Type an inside box name print. Now select action, click this arrow area and select execute a menu item and select add, and here we will find this print option. Select here. Now select OK and close and preview. Now simply select this print button and see this already print dialog box added here. Now you can print this from all of this page, current page, fit, actual size. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.